I came because one of my hearing aids that I previously had was now old and not operating correctly. When I arrived, Lee and I talked about a new, more advanced hearing aid that would be a lot more beneficial to me. And we talked extensively about it, and it was quite an eye-opener, so to speak, hearing about all the new technology, the Bluetooth aspects of it, the stereo sound aspect of it, and of course the convenience. So I decided that that was something I wanted to do. The fit is terrific on these. When they came in, it was a short wait, not long. When they came in, Lee fitted me with the hearing aids, and I found them to be comfortable almost immediately, and I continued to experience no problems whatsoever with them. I think a big part of all of this, my experience here, has been, number one, feeling comfortable and being explained to thoroughly about all that was involved. And I had a million questions, and a lot of them were technical type questions. And Dr. Atemzi was terrific in answering all of them, and answered them in a way that made sense to me, number one, was clear to me, number two. Those are both big issues with me. I've dealt with people before who explain things on a level that I just end up asking more questions because I didn't even understand the answer. So that was not the case here. Clear, concise, and to the point. We had an excellent, we did a hearing test, which of course that was early on, and that gave her the correct parameters of which to suggest the type of hearing aids I have. I bought a couple of accessories with my hearing aids as well, and I've found them to be, number one, beneficial, and number two, a lot of fun to work with. So those are all things that I really appreciated Dr. Atemzi informing me about. Had I found out about them later after I had my hearing aids, I think I probably would have been a little disappointed had I not known it right to begin with. So bottom line, I've had a great experience here. I feel that it has benefited my hearing significantly. I find myself seldom saying, "What? Huh? Could you repeat that, please? Excuse me?" None of those words are coming out of my mouth much at all anymore. And I also found, I find socially it makes a huge difference too. So it's been a life improvement for me. And as I said, bottom line is, I'm glad I came here, and I'm glad I got the service that I did, because it was really well worth it.